The markets are already responding to Premier Rachel Notley's announcement that Alberta will cut oil production.
Starting in January, raw crude oil and bitumen will be cut almost 9% in an effort to boost prices. Western Canadian Select has already seen a jump. It's over $32 US a barrel compared to just $11 last week. And Scotiabank says Notley's move could have a positive impact on stocks too. Notley says the cuts will last about a year. Production will be reduced by 325,000 barrels a day until the surplus is gone. After that, it will drop to 95,000 barrels a day. The amount curtailed will be adjusted each month by the Energy Minister and the Alberta Energy Regulator. The goal to slow the loss of $80 million a day in price differentials. Notley insists it's a short-term solution.
This is a time for unity and for resolve. And I especially want to stress this to Ottawa. We need them to toss the half-hearted statements away. We don't actually need Ottawa's sympathy. We need Ottawa's full attention. We need them to step up and help us bring an end to this crisis.
Jacqueline Brown is live in Southwest Calgary today. So, Jacqueline, how is the industry reacting?
So, Jocelyn, some companies say that this is a step in the right direction, while others say that it actually undermines the investment that they've already made in gaining more market access. So there are some mixed feelings about this decision. So BMO and Imperial Oil released statements sharing concern over the cuts, saying it could put a huge dent in GDP next year. Other companies like Cenovus are commending Notley for stepping in to help a growing crisis. It's one of those rare political occasions where different parties actually agree. Both the UCP and the Alberta Party say cuts are in the best interest of our economy, and they support the decision. The province hopes the cuts will add $1.1 billion in government revenue over next year.
Yesterday's announcement will protect our revenues, and our path to balance is assured. I've let Albertans know many times that we are going to take every action to get to balance, and I'm confident we will.
And Notley says she will be taking a forceful message to the Prime Minister and also to her fellow premiers when she meets with them in Montreal next week.
All right, thanks, Jacqueline.